Good morning, students. Welcome to part 1 of our chapter number 8, Winds, Storms, and Cyclones. Winds, Storms, and Cyclone. Okay, first of all, tell me what is wind? What is wind? Yes, the moving air is called wind, है ना? जो एयर कुछ स्पीड में मूव करती है, that is called wind. Okay. Orissa was hit by a cyclone with wind speed of 200 km per hour on 18th October 1999. The cyclone smashed 45,000 houses, making 7 lakh people homeless. On 29th October of the same year, a second cyclone with wind speed of 260 km per hour hit Orissa again. It was accompanied by water waves about 9 meters high. Thousands of people lost their lives. Property worth crores of rupees was destroyed. The cyclone affected agriculture, transport, communication, and electric supply. The two cyclones which Orissa met in the same month within the period of 10 to 15 days. दो बार साइक्लोन आए 18th October, then again on 29th October. There is a satellite image of the cyclone given. Image taken by a satellite of a cyclone approaching the coast of Orissa. ओडिशा की तरफ जो साइक्लोन आ रहा था उसका सैटेलाइट इमेज है, जो ऊपर से लिया जाता है सैटेलाइट इमेज, दैट इज कॉल्ड सैटेलाइट इमेज. सो इस तरह से दिखता है वो साइक्लोन, लाइक दिस. ओके, ये सब पढ़ा. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज साइक्लोन, हाउ आर दे फॉर्म, कुछ पता है किसी को? What is a cyclone? How are they formed? Why are they so destructive? Okay, so now we will learn about that only. Okay, we shall begin with some activities involving air. These activities will clarify some basic feature concerning a cyclone. What is wind? The moving air is called wind. Now, activity 8.1, to conclude that, to prove that air exerts pressure. One characteristics of air, that is, it exerts pressure. What you need to boil water in the following activity. Take a tin can with a lid, fill it half with water, heat it on a candle flame till the water boils. Let the water boil for few minutes. Then blow the candle. Immediately put the lid tightly on the can. एक लीड वाला कैन लो, लीड मीन्स ढक्कन. पहले उस वाटर को बॉयल होने दो, देन कवर द लीड. Put the can carefully in a shallow metallic vessel और वॉश बेसिन. उसको दूसरी जगह पे लेके जाओ एंड देन pour some water over the can. What happens to the shape of the can? एकदम गर्म है, उसका लीड आपने बंद कर दिया एंड देन pour some fresh water. What will happen? The picture is given कि पानी डालने से कैन का पूरा शेप है वो बदल जाता है, क्रश हो जाता है. Why does it happen so? Can you tell me? You can do it with the plastic bottle also. आपकी थम्स अप पेप्सी की जो बॉटल आती है ना, उसमें भी ऐसा होगा. If you don't get a can, you can do it with this also. Why will it happen so? When you fly a kite, does the wind coming from your back help? है ना, पतंग उड़ाने के लिए पवन चाहिए ना, सब ढूंढते रहता है ना कि कौन सी साइड में ज्यादा पवन है, वहां से उड़ाएंगे. So why does all these things happen? Do you find it difficult to ride a bicycle against the direction of the wind? होता है ना? ओके, तो मतलब कि विंड के साथ चलने में it will be easy for you, but if you are riding or walking in the opposite direction of the wind, it will be very challenging, है ना. हवा के सामने चलना means it is a very tough thing, but हवा आपके पीछे से आ रही है, then वो आपको सपोर्ट करेगी आपके काम में, है ना. Okay, but why does the shape of the cane changes? वो बताओ पहले. Why does it happen? As water is poured over the can, some steam in the can condenses into water. अंदर स्टीम तो होगी, हमने देखा था कंडेंसेशन एंड इवापोरेशन. जब वाटर बॉयल हुआ था तो कुछ स्टीम बन गई थी, उसको आपने कवर कर दिया, मीन्स द स्टीम इज इनसाइड द कैन. नाउ व्हेन यू पोर द वाटर, what will happen? That steam will be condensed and again water will be formed. Some steam will condense into water, reducing the amount of air inside. The pressure of air inside the can decreases. Then the pressure exerted by the air from outside the can. अंदर का प्रेशर है वो कम हो जाएगा क्योंकि जो स्टीम है वो वाटर बन जाएगी. तो बाहर से तो ऑलवेज एयर गिव्स प्रेशर फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, सो वो बैलेंस हो जाता है. बट इफ इनर प्रेशर इज डिक्रीज्ड, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? क्रश हो जाता है, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट द कैन गेट कंप्रेस्ड. सो वी कैन कंक्लूड दैट air exerts pressure. The water will occupy less space than vapor, है ना. जो वेपर है उसको ज़्यादा जगह चाहिए. हमने देखा था कि गैसियस एलिमेंट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लो करता है, सो इट विल रिक्वायर मोर स्पेस. एंड व्हेन इट इज कंडेंस्ड, water is formed, it will require less space than vapor. So the pressure of air will decrease from inside and the balance will not be there, and so the crane will be crashed. So from this experiment we can conclude that air exerts pressure. Right? एक हमारा experiment हो गया to prove that air exerts pressure. Right? Now second thing, high speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. That we will do it in the next video. Homework is read activity 8.2, 8.3 and 8.4. Okay? The whole topic we will continue it in the next video. Thank you.